Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some extra income using simple designs. Like, guys, it's super simple, and it's an opportunity as a creative outlet, right? So, especially if you're creating designs and it's something that you love to do, this is something that I feel is going to help a lot of people. I already do it, and you guys are going to see the earnings and see how it's working for me, right? So you can also do it for yourselves. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So we're not going to waste no time. Let's get into the video. I'm going to show you the process that I take in order to create designs for Redbubble. Guys, you might as well do it, because at the end of the day, it's another way of making some extra income, and it's free. You don't even have to pay. You don't even have to pay for you don't have to pay for anything really. It's just you're just paying with your time in terms of designing the making the designs and all that to upload and all that. But this is the process I do, and usually when I have downtime with my work, with my main work in digital marketing, I just do this for fun. For me, it's just kind of like a creative outlet. I love doing this, and it's creative, and I get to do it and get some money for it. It's a win-win. So guys, definitely try this out yourself if you're interested. So this is what I basically do. Go into Canva. I pay for Canva Premium. But like, yeah, like guys, if you don't have Canva, click the link in the description to check it out. But guys, this is dope. So what I do is I just go here and I just type in t-shirt, because Redbubble, they sell t-shirts, stickers, all sorts of stuff, right? But I just put in t-shirt because I want my designs to, if it translates well on t-shirts, it also translate well onto other items as well, right? And guys, look at this. You have all these designs here already. Literally, you just got all these designs here already, and you can make minor adjustments to them. Like take this one for example. Yeah, okay, it says this, but if I wanted to make an adjustment and change it, I could just change it to this. Love, 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 love. That's it. That's a whole new design. That is a whole new design. Yeah. That I can now upload to Redbubble. And that's a t-shirt design that I can upload easily. And it could be a sticker, it could be a wall print, artwork, it could be all sorts. And the good thing about Redbubble pay for Google ads, so they drive that traffic for you. You just got to make sure that you're putting in your keywords, you're uploading enough designs and stuff like that, right? And guys, I'm going to show you my Redbubble and show you like how the orders have just been coming in just from doing this. Yeah. So once you've done that, let's say for example we've created this. All you got to do is download it. So I'm going to download it now. So you just click here and then download. Now, as you can see here, it's already downloaded as a PNG file, right? So the next step that I'm going to do is I'm now going to go into Redbubble and upload it into there. Yeah. So we're going to go into Redbubble right now. When you get into Redbubble, yeah, you just click add new work. So you've created your Redbubble profile. You just click, there's a red button that says add new work. Just click that button. You can't miss it. Once you've clicked it, you just click add new work here. And then what you do, you're going to put in the Canva design that you just created and just put it into here. Yeah. So I'm going to show you. So you click here, and guys, here it is. Here's the design that I've just created. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to call love is the only answer. So you can name it anything you want. And then love. So you want to make sure that your tags, you want to make sure that you put a good number of tags. I don't put more than 10 in here usually, But you want to put in some tags in here so your work is going to be easier to find. So the SEO will be a lot more stronger, so people can find your work easily. So love, life, positive, and so on and so forth. And then you can put a little description and call it "Love is the only answer" or something like that. Done. Then when you scroll down, you can see this is how your designs are going to look on different things, on phone cases or stickers, magnets. This is literally how it's going to look. And you can click this button to enable it. So when you enable it like that, it's going to be available in your store. Like this, enable, it's going to be available in the store. Yeah. And once you're happy with that, and because it's going to be on the design, it's going to be on loads of different products, it increases the likelihood of you getting the purchase, right? Guys, this is awesome in terms of just making passive income. If you need a creative outlet, if you're having a slow day at work and you just want to make some extra income on the side, you know what? Just do this. In addition to your main hustle, into your main work, right? Because that's what I do. Now I'm going to show you the earnings that I've gotten, so the sales that I've gotten just from being on this platform. So guys, as you can see here, these are all the places that have bought. These are all the people that have bought my products. Look, like it's insane. Look, England, California, Arizona, like loads of places. Look at all these sales. Look at that. And obviously, it's small numbers, but guys, it adds up. It adds up. Like the more designs that you put on your page, the higher likelihood that you're going to make sales. Yeah, you just got to put the work in, create the designs, upload it, and you're literally good to go. And this hasn't cost me any money to do. This has just cost me my time. But it's time spent doing something fun. And I'm getting a little bit of money for it. Look at this. Like people are buying one. This person bought 26. Guys, it's an awesome platform. I love it. It's fun. Especially in this day and age with, you know, what's happening out in the world, like, and people are worried about their jobs and stuff. Guys, this is something that you want to do to obviously blow off some steam, get some creativity out there and make some extra income. So guys, as usual, I'll be coming back with more marketing tips, tricks, just stuff to help you in your business and in your life. Yeah. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you guys later. Take care.